We're on our way to Honda Safety Driving Center, and for today's video, ite-test ride natin and i-review yung bagong Honda electric scooter. So excited ako sa test ride na to kasi this will be my second time to try an electric scooter. Yung first time natin is with Segway and sobrang satisfied tayo. Hindi ko nga in-expect na mag-enjoy tayo ng ganun nung first time natin sa electric scooter. And yung pupuntahan pala natin is a event din for media and motovloggers. So for sure marami rin tayo mamimit na kapwa content creator natin. Alright, so we are here on the Safety Driving Center. Hey, good morning, sir. Thank you. Alright. So we are here. Maaga pa naman tayo, 9:30 pa naman. Ayun na yung test ride area. Ready na. Pero attend muna tayo ng orientation dito.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Honda Safety Driving Center. I'm Christine Jean Medina from Honda Philippines Incorporated, your host for today. So it's great to see all of you here today for our exclusive media and bloggers test ride activity of the all-new EM1E. So before we start our program, can you guys give your seatmate to say good morning?
Good morning! And today, ipapatest ride namin sa inyo yung first electric vehicle ni Honda. Okay ba yun?
Yeah! Mainly, yung figure na po yan, sinasabi po dito na i-regulate na po, i-register po lahat ng BEB.
Ito po yung charger, ito po yung battery. So, saksak lang natin si charger. Ready po siya for 220. We have 4 bars, which says 25, 50, 75, 100%.
Ito yung battery ng electric scooter.
Sir, gusto kong marinig yung magandang...
This is 10 kilograms. Ito yung charger.
Sir, si Sir Anthony.
Ito naman yung U-box space. Medyo maliit lang. Wala ka rin masyadong malalagay.
The all-new EM1E. Yan. So, second batch na.
And dito naman yung battery. Itong top box pala, additional accessory lang to. You need to buy it. Pero itong rack, kasama na talaga sa EM1E. Available in 2 colors din to, silver and white.
Art balloon?
Siyempre maganda yung white.
Kaya natin, sir. Wait lang guys, picture lang. Gawin na po tayo. Sakay sa mga motor. Thank you. Lalo na yung gloves.
Brothers, morning. Morning.
Shout out to the right.
Yun.
White, black, or silver. Ayan, si sir, nauna na. Sir, Manila Automotive, where are you?
Excited Kamesme, good morning.
Good morning. Hello, sir. Thank you po ulit for coming. So again po, nasa center na sila, sir, ha? Center na. Okay, so again, third batch. Enjoy your ride and ride safe.
Murang-mura lang yan, guys.
Okay, again po, please. Movie ride.
Gaan nga, no? Alright. So, first ride natin sa first electric scooter ng Honda, EM1E. Nililito pa ako sa pangalan So, first impression is very light. Ano lang to? 95 kilograms. Naka-standard tayo ngayon. Yung kanina sinabi, ang top speed ng standard is 45 kilometers per hour. So itong EM1E has a power, or power ba yun? Or wattage of 1.7 kilowatts. And ang range rin pala nito, pag naka-standard ka is 43.1 kilometers, while kung naka-eco mode ka naman is 48 kilometers. Hindi pa tayo maka-top speed ha. Testing natin yung 45. Lumalagpas naman ng 45. Nag 47 tayo. Nalurog lang yung salamin ko ah. Try natin yung eco mode. Pag nag-eco ka, ramdam mo yung ano, humina yung andar, yung takbo. Pero gusto ko kasi makita rin yung top speed ng eco. Paikot-ikot lang kami dito ah. Nahilo ko ah. So pag eco mode, hanggang 30 lang talaga. Ayun, nag 31 tayo. Eco mode 32.
Gaano kabilis at yung preno. Ito po kayo doon sa dulong pilot. Okay, go na po kayo. Go na po.
Alright. So top speed to ng standard. Yeah, braking is okay. Malakas naman. Pero guys, mention ko lang din pala, itong electric scooter ng Honda, may ano lang talaga to, targeted market. Ito yung mga kailangan lang ng transpo or ng ride ng malapitan lang. Hindi siya pwedeng pang long ride. Mga tipong from school, bahay, malapit lang yung office mo, pamalengke, pang errands. Kasi nga malapit lang yung range niya. Pero if you're looking for a convenient ride, economical, this is a good option. Sabi nga kanina, ina-explain sa amin is yung for you to fully charge yung battery nito, it's only gonna cost you 15 pesos, 1.5 ah. So for 15 pesos, kaya mo na mag-travel ng 40 kilometers. So again, this one is not really for yung mga Sunday breakfast ride. Yeah, all goods. Thank you. Salamat sir. So kung gusto nyo meron kayong efficient na scooter sa bahay nyo, pang daily errands, this is a perfect choice. Yung hindi mo naman kailangan magpatakbo ng mabilis. Kasi again, ang top speed nito for standard is 45 kilometers per hour. Pag naka-eco ka naman, kaya napansin ko, more or less 30 lang yung maximum eh. So you can check this out at Honda dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center. Ito palang electric scooter nila na to, itong Honda EM1e, is only available sa mga Honda flagship stores and Big Wing. Ano, puwi na natin yan bro. Souvenir. Thank you Honda. Alright, so maraming salamat ulit Honda Philippines and Honda Safety Driving Center. So kung naghahanap kayo ng errand, scooter, or transpo, school, office, kung hindi naman kayo sa pabilisan, gusto niyo yung economy, yung pagiging sulit, yeah, this is a good choice. So again, like what I said kanina, targeted market tong all new Honda EM1e. Kung okay ka sa 45 kilometers per hour na top speed, pero gusto mo yung matipid, very economical, very efficient, reliable na scooter, then good choice to for you. Kasi ang full charge ng battery nito, ang sabi kanina, it will only cost you 15 pesos. So 1.5 15. So sa halagang 15 pesos, you can travel na ng around 40 plus kilometers. Kasi 41 kilometers for standard na range, and 48 kilometers naman pag naka-eco ka. In case pala may magtanong kung kamusta to compared dun sa unang electric scooter na na-try natin, yung Segway E300 SE. Feeling ko hindi sila same market. Yung Segway kasi napaka powerful nung electric scooter na yun. Itong all new Honda EM1e, this is more for me yung daily scooter na pang errands. Di ba, mamalengke ka, may bibilin ka lang sa tindahan, or kung malapit lang yung school mo or work mo, pwede yun, pang daily. Hindi siya yung pang pasyal-pasyal na ride. Siya yung talagang pang essential, yung pang araw-araw na pangangailangan mo. And another selling point for this electric scooter, yung battery life daw nito is aabot ng more than 6 years. Actually, kinumpute kanina 6.8 years to be exact, basing dun sa battery cycle count pa yun, or life cycle. So ayun, kung trip nyo naman yung mga ganitong klaseng content and hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button below and like and share the video. Salamat! So sobrang thank you for joining us today. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung suporta nyo. And kita-kits tayo sa next video. Ingat kayo lahat palagi. Always ride safe. Peace out.